Another day, another problem. We back. Proper Flex Garage, Proper Flex TV. I got my boy Swaby out here helping me out today to the rescue. You know what we doing. It's big Euro gang shit over here, big steppers. You know what I'm saying? There he go. But got a problem today. I hit a little pothole. My car did a little shimmy. The ass started shaking, got a little loose from your boy. No, I did not Mac, but I thought I had a flat, but I got a little problem with my suspension going on. As you can see, that's not lined up anymore. The fucking screw is hanging out from the back instead of coming through there. I don't know where the nut went. That's not aligned anymore. I'll show you the screw from the other side. My boy came through with the extra jack. You know what the fuck going on. Looking at it from the other side is crazy because,
What are you vlogging?
as you can see, yeah. As you can see,
Shit, so don't barely get me on camera.
boom. Now that's fucking dangerous. It's pretty scary and that's pretty reckless. So I'm gonna, luckily for me, I'm like 2 minutes from my house. I'm gonna try to jack up that other side so we can line up the two holes, drill that screw back in with the power tool or whatever we got, the hand tool, whatever the fuck going on. It's been a long morning for me, but yeah, man, you see that? That's what's going on today. It's crazy because I was on the highway 2 days ago racing with some friends. And this shit could have happened 2 days ago with me going like at least 80 to 100 miles per hour. Luckily that shit happened. I was going no more than 25 right here on the back street. So, you feel me?
You can take that off.
Rim's still looking clean in the motherfucker, you know what I'm saying?
What I would do.
But yeah, we're gonna figure out what's going on and then we're gonna tune right back in. We got everything lined back up. It took 2 jacks and maybe an hour. Basically what I had to do was I had to remove this bolt right here all the way. And once I did that and started flexing this and using the jack, raising and lowering things and messing around, everything fell back into place. My problem now though, fellas, I don't have the motherfucking nut that goes at the back of the bolt. I'm gonna go to the store right now, pick that up, come back here, screw that on, and then everything should be all right. But yeah, man, if you watch the installation of the coilover video, when I took out that bolt back there, the really fucking long one, this is the same fucking style bolt. It's probably like this fucking big, no exaggeration. And we had to line it back up through the sleeve. And now I'm gonna go pick up the nut, come back, put everything back on, and hopefully it's a smooth day after that. Stay tuned. Shout out to my boy Swaby. You know the vibes, man. Real nigga. We here though. Stay tuned. We about to hit the store.
It's this one here, 16 by 1.5.
Okay, fellas. This is the size of the nut that goes at the back
On that,
of
right.
this long ass control arm
AKA Ascension bolt also, I think.
bolt.
Yeah.
All right, we had to come to the shop 17 times for that. But we out here. Thanks. Another day, another dollar. Proper Flex TV. Last time we was here, y'all saw me on the side of the road, and I was dealing with this bolt right here on the back side. Everything was hanging out and stuff like that. It was a dangerous ride. Ever since that day though, my car's been wobbly, not driving safe, and I think I found the culprit. I have a broken lug nut inside of my hub. This is like the 3rd time I'm looking at this, and the last time I looked at it there were 2 broken in there. I guess one fell out on its own, but we only got 1 right now. So today I'm gonna take that out, put in a brand new one. Hopefully the car should drive a little bit better. You can see the coils, we got a little rust on it though. I'm still gonna do that review video on it, but they're still holding on. So I'm gonna go through the steps on how to remove that from what I learned. I had to buy this size bit gotta drill a hole into the middle of the screw with the bit. After I drill the hole with the screw, I have this screw extractor set. You insert that into the hole that you made, and then you reverse the screw out of it with a drill or a pliers. So we're gonna try that out. I've never done it, first time. So let's get it. That's kind of cool. I don't know what happened, gang.
Wait, so slowly. Slowly. You're gonna bring it out, I told you.
Y'all see it? Y'all see that? We didn't even have to use this.
It
Came out. Wow, look at that shit right there. Straight like that. And now, your boy's gonna go buy, I mean, I think I have lug nuts in the garage, but now it's time to put the new ones on. Some new lug nuts put in. Everything's fine, but I was having a little bit of play with my wheel. You could actually see it right now. If you look, I think you can see it. That shit not supposed to be fucking moving like that. I feel that when I drive, so I gotta take it to the shop and get some shit checked out because something's loose back there. I came to the front now to tighten up some other loose shit I was hearing. And here we go. Clean rotors. Max speed and coilovers. I got these put on in April. Today's December 23rd. And this is the update. This shit. Yeah. I hear that knock when I drive. So I figured, let me see what's going on today since the snow cleared up. But this is loose. That's probably the only issue so far since April. It's been a knocking noise for a while, so I was trying to tighten up. Look at that. I know that's not normal. I know that's not good. But yeah, boy. So we gonna tighten this shit the fuck back up and get the fuck back out of here. I'm off this for the day. I'm out here at Home Depot. I got my boy Ray to Sab with me today on the Flex TV. Just came and got my $15 back, you feel me? Those tools that I showed you earlier to get the stuff, to get the lug nuts out of the tire, I called the shop and he told me to change my entire wheel hub. That shit would have cost me like a couple $100. I got the shits from Home Depot for $15. And then I returned it after I got the shit out. Which means I did the job for fucking free 99. You know the vibes. Proper Flex TV. Home Depot way. Got my money back. That's how we do it, nigga. The fuck is you talking about? Shit. Walk right up out of here. That's it. You got another project? Today we in Hempstead. Took our talents to Hempstead. I mean, but look. You see that? You see that? Ooh. Yeah, there she go. forget to like my video and subscribe. Stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram, Scamron and 52.
More projects coming.
More projects coming. You know the vibes, man. Let's see if I get a post up for y'all. It's not cold anymore though, actually.